This is going to be held from 13th to 15th at Hyderabad International Convention Center. And this is going to be the 33rd annual conference of this forum. This National Neonatology Forum is having its members spread across the country, numbering around 5,000. So every year this conference is being held in different parts of the country. This year, the Andhra Pradesh chapter of National Neonatology Forum is hosting this conference. This conference consists of a program spread over 4 days. On 12th, there will be hands-on workshops for a group of 40 to 50 doctors on a specific area of neonatal care. That is 12th December, tomorrow, at 14 different locations. On 13th, we have 4 concurrent sessions of CME programs, that means continuing medical education programs. And on 14th and 15th, the main conference is there at the same venue, Hyderabad International Convention Center. On 13th evening at 7 p.m., we have the inaugural ceremony of this convention. Shri Keshav and Desiraju, Secretary for Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, has kindly consented to be the chief guest for this inaugural function. During this 3-day conference, various topics which are concerning neonatal care, the problems which we are encountering in handling the various kinds of problems of newborns and how to enhance the survival of the newborns, and also especially theme-based. And that means the conference theme is cost-intensive care to cost-effective care, time to shift. That means we want to give quality care to the newborn for all the problems, reachable to everybody, including the rich and the poor, at a cost, at an affordable cost. So the key slogan for this conference is newborn survival is key to nation's progress. That means unless we improve the newborn health, improve their survival, reduce the number of newborns dying in this country, a progress of the nation cannot be obtained without handling this important problem. So that is the reason why we felt the key slogan should be newborn survival, key to nation's progress. In this 3-day conference, we are going to have 1,500 delegates across the country attending this conference, and 250 speakers who are experts in different areas in newborn care, spread across the country once again, are attending as faculty. That means they will be speaking and participating in various discussions. We also have invited 30 distinguished speakers from outside the country. They will also be speaking and participating in various kinds of deliberations during this conference.